Hello and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, not much has happened within the fish room, but today's episode I'll probably call it 4.1. Hopefully I get squared up, tie up some loose ends, fit some cheap lights, just shop lights. Pretty chatty, but I'm not going to go to town with the wiring in them. Just quick and easy, get them up and running, and I can replace them at a later date if necessary. So tell us what you think of the audio as well. I've just got this off my wife for my birthday. It's like a dual lapel one. So if you think the audio is improved, let us know in the comments. So what I'll do is I'll just keep on bringing these back, showing these little bits as I do, where I'm up to, finishing stuff off. I've got things like the worktop to do, put the piano hinges in. So first of all, we'll have a quick tidy up, quick shifty around, make some room to work in. So what I'm going to do with one of these is fit it to the underside of the worktop. So when it goes back over, it's held in place above the tank. I will be getting lids for on top of the tank, so don't worry about that. So I'm just going to put them around about there. Get halfway between that screw hole and that screw hole. 23 is halfway, and I shall just use the blockwork itself to work out where to put these. I'm going to put these in just to keep the flow of air going around the light, rather than having it hard against the floor. This will keep it off a little bit. Like I said, I'm not going to spend loads on lights because I will probably upgrade lights as we go on. But it's just a bit of an expense to do that all in one go. At the very start, you're talking like between what, 50 and 80 pound per light, where I've got these 4 lights for 32 pound, cheap off Amazon. And then we'll just click that on. Just like that. So that's the front beam extension over. Goes like that, yep. And then this side would go like that, so it needs to be pianoed over. And all I have to do, take a little bit of time getting these flush. Right, pilot holes. Hopefully they don't bind too much. Ah, that's alright. Championi Don Coglioni. I know they stick out, but now I know there's quite a gap of how I've done the edges. I haven't bed them into the sides. But like I said before, that's basically going to let steam come out and not build up on it underneath. Hopefully. So that's that underlight done. Now just do one there, and one up there. Connect them all together. Stick them on a plug. Jerry wire it. Just for now, into there. One plug to rule them all. And I'm also going to wrap this white cable in black tape so it doesn't stand out as much. The only bad thing about working on black, you can't see the pencil marks. That goes there, that goes there, that goes through there, like that. That goes on there, like that. Yeah. Right. Cable dingle dangle freely. What? Two. Cable tie, if I can remember where they are. These are good little things. So basically put the screw in, up there, put the cable in, cable tie, tie it up. Cable in there. Cut that off. Later. That's that one done then. Now we just feed them back through there. And then we'll pick them all up on that side. Out the way. We'll put another cable tie on the other side. Oh, all done. And then just wire them three into a little bit of a loom. And then from there into a plug, temporary. Top one done. Then it's just basically one in there, connect the three together, put a plug on, plug it in. So as you can see, I've had a bit of a problem. One of the lights doesn't want to work. But the other ones do. But it's typical, it's the middle one I was going to scape first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just stick a separate plug on that, trace the fault, find if there is a fault with what I've done, and if I haven't, I pass. Maybe that might be my first light to buy. Just what I was hoping not to have, because I haven't got a light to place it with. Put it on its own socket over there. move the finger so I don't get the blur blur. And still not working. So it's the light itself. Typical. Buy shite, buy twice. So this doesn't give us much confidence in these cheap lights off Amazon. Bought 4, 3 working, 1 not. Don't really know the reason why. Probably electrode that's in the end. Capacitor, something that's blown. So who knows. The other 3's working fine. Typical. The one I wanted to use to do that with scrape first is the one that's broke. Contingency plan. That's it, done with the tanks in place. Gutted about that light, but what can you do? Have a quick look with the lights on. So that's what it would have looked like. As I've got my stuff to start doing the dirty tank, but no light. No likey, no light. It looks like filming of this one has come to a standstill till I sort out a light for the middle tank. Typical. Just when you've got plans to get stuck in, something like this happens. The little bedside lamp, I'll let it do for now. Got it. Ta-ra! And if you're the last one out, please flick the light switch to let others know you enjoyed this video.